Hello everyone, my name is Obieda. I'm a founder of Gasable. And I'm really delighted to be here. So let me ask you a question. Who is afraid of his wife? No one? I know you all do. So imagine you live in Saudi Arabia, cooking your favorite dinner, and suddenly you run out of gas. Oh man. Now you have to go to the market, stuck in a traffic jam, buy new cylinders and carry them home. And guess what? You may find the market closed or out of cylinders. This is a common problem in gas distribution, and it's not only limited in Saudi Arabia, it is in more than 1/3 of the world. Gasable solved this problem by connecting customers with gas distributor through a mobile app in an Uber-like service. You open the app, you place the order, and your order will be delivered to your doorstep. No waiting, no traffic jam, everything is trackable, and you never need to worry about being scammed. We take delivery fees from customers, a fixed amount in each cylinder from distributors, and we sell gas accessories. This is basically how we make money. Traction. Currently, we're operating in 4 countries: Jordan, Saudi Arabia, Pakistan, and Ethiopia. We're having 15,000 orders a month, 300,000 registered users, and 1.4 million total revenue in 2017. I know all of you you might be wondering why we are the best team to invest in. Here's why. We know how to build scalable system. It's built. It's there. We know how operation management works and how to take care of our customers. You can read people's review in the App Store and Play Store. See how good we are. We're looking to raise 3 million to expand and to manufacture our Smart Scale. Our Smart Scale is an IoT device which detects the gas level inside the cylinder and schedule an order when gas goes low, making the gas refill process fully automated. Isn't that cool? Ladies and gentlemen, you're kindly invited to join this great opportunity. And as Jackson Brown once said, nothing is more expensive than a missed opportunity. Thank you for listening.